Hi, myself Alok from Reliable Software Systems Private Limited. Before proceeding to tell you how you will create the ranking system, I would like to tell you first you have to update the data of your Fox Trader. So if you will update the data of your Fox Trader, it will perform faster or in a better way. So first move to the first menu, that is Foxnet or Fox Trader menu. Then there just move to the customize. In customize just go to the intra tab, and in intra tab just change previous intra data to 100 days and then click on save button. So this is the first setting. Now just move to the Foxnet or Fox Trader menu again, and then go to the set window mode and choose floating. By default it will be on tabbed view in this view, but we have to select floating mode. Okay, now just move to the data menu and go to the check and sync data. Okay, just open that. Now select NSE equity future, and after that click on show button only once. Okay, now just click on check EOD button. This check EOD button will check the missing data on EOD chart. It will take some time. As you can see, it is proceeding. See, it has checked. So after doing 100%, if there are number E0, right now it is showing 0, E0, because I have already updated my data. If the data will be missing, it will show the number here, E and number. So in that case, you have to just click on sync EOD button only once. Just I have clicked. When the sync EOD button will get on, because if the data is missing, when you will click on sync EOD button, it will get off. Then again when it will get on, then you have to click on check EOD button like this, and you have to watch what is that number, E and space, E and number, what is that number. Then again click check EOD to check whether it is updating or not. At some time of interval, you have to click on check EOD again and again, and you have to watch on the number which is appearing adjacent to E. If the number reduces to 0 when you are clicking check EOD at a time interval, suppose 1 minute, 2 minutes later, then if the number reduces to E0, that means your EOD data has been synced, it is updated now. Or that number which is adjacent to E is not reducing after clicking 2 or 3 times on check EOD, that means the data is updated. Okay, once the EOD data will get updated, next we have to click on check I60 like this. It will take some time to check for the first time, because whole of the data will be missing. Now you can see check I60 button is on now. That means it has checked for missing data. So it is showing I6592. That means I and any number. If it shows I and any number, that means the data is missing. So in that case, we have to click on sync I60 button. We have to click only once. Now the sync I60 button is on. That means it is syncing now. Now we have to click on check I60 button at a time interval, at different time intervals, to check the intraday data is synced or not. Like I'm just clicking check I60, it is checking. So as you can see, because net is fast, so the data is synced now. I0, that means all the data is synced. If it would have shown any reduced number, then again at a time interval I would have clicked on check I60. Okay, so now my data is synced and system is ready to use.